Hi, I'm just gonna do a quick video about how to create an MCC template. So I'm creating a local multiplayer just to setting up. Disregard this one is from the development build, nothing to do with the MCC, and I'm just gonna create an MCC mission. I'm just gonna put 1 unit in the place that I want to put my FOB. I can do that anywhere on top of myself, it doesn't really matter, but let's put it over here. Save, call it template 1 and preview. Now usually what I do once I join in is create a little FOB, and I'm using the mod version, not the mission version. So I'm just gonna log in. I'm gonna open the 3D editor, Alt plus left click, and we're gonna find some nice placing. This should be good enough. And dynamic object, FOB small, face it that way, and wait for MCC to finish building it. Now we got the FOB, and now we just go here, save to clipboard, save to SQM, sorry, and now everything is saved to SQM. Now I'm just gonna Alt Tab, and I will look for the mission. It's called template 1, mission SQM, edit with notepad, and I'm just gonna delete this and paste the code that MCC generated, and I'm gonna save it. Now I'm gonna exit the mission, and I'm gonna edit it. Now you can see that I have the template. I'm gonna delete my unit. We don't need this one too, and we're gonna put some units to play with. So just say fire team. Now something that you have to pay attention is that you need to give a unit a name. Doesn't matter what name, but you have to give it a name if you want it to be playable with the MCC mode. Something to do with the taking control over Zeus again, but just make sure that every unit, every playable unit that you replace have a playable name. Okay, and sorry, that should be about it, and we're going to save it. Now we have a basic template. Now I want to put a start location. I don't want to set the start location every time, so I just gonna here, and I'm gonna put, why don't I have empty? Oh, I need to put one of them as player. Now I need the invisible helipad. So helipad invisible, I'm gonna call it start west, and I'm gonna place it over here. And I want another one to serve as a forward operation base in case we are starting a mission somewhere over here. So this one I'm gonna call it FOB West number 1. Okay, that's about it, and I'm gonna save it. And now I'm gonna move to Alt Tab and do some things over there. So first I put enable saving false. I hate the saving thing, especially when I'm planning a mission for multiplayer. Now the second thing I want to put is the MCC start west. You can do start east, start GAIA, etc. And that will be the get pose of the start W, which is the invisible helipad that we put inside the FOB. Now this will trigger the selection of where to go, but we actually have to build the spawn point. This one is a bit tricky. You have to use the MCC function. All the MCC functions are documented, but I will just copy it from here, and I will put this thing. So if is server because it have to run only on the server. So we're taking the start west location, get post start west, direction is 0, the faction, the side is west. We're going to build an HQ, and we want it to be destroyable by satchel. It's false, and we're going to do the same for the other FOB. So how do we call it? I forgot, just a second. Where it is? Okay, FOB W1. So get pose FOB W1 west, and I want it to be FOB, and I just gonna save that. Now if I did everything correctly, then I have the mission template 1 Altis, doesn't matter what I choose. I forgot something, just a second. Yeah, scripting live, apostrophe, oops, apostrophe at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's do that again. Press OK. And here you go. You can see we have the HQ over here, we have the FOB over here, and this is the mission. So player can just join in. This one spawn in the FOB. If we're going to respawn, I'm going to get this respawn option again. Now usually as a mission maker, I don't like to create a FOB, especially now that we have the new construction model. So usually what I do, I just give the player some logistic track. Okay, vehicle, transport, yes. You can add the Zeus vehicle respawn if you want to, and giving the players the ability to create their own FOBs. Just need to run. You already saw that in the last movie, but that's about it, because now player can expand the base by the load truck. They can take some supply crates from the base and drive it around. You can give the players supply crates as a reward, as a mission maker. I'll just move a bit further away from the base so I can do that. So let's say I'm the mission maker and I want to give them supply crates. So let's say here's the mission, and in the mission location I'll put some supply as a reward, if I can just find them. This should be on there. So I'll tab, and we're creating, first one is the description file. Description ext, don't forget. Yes, I want to edit with notepad, and I put respawn on base, respawn delay, let's put it 3 seconds, and disabled AI, put it on 1, I don't want AI. That's about it in terms of description. And the next things I'm going to put is the init file. So I put init sqf, yes, and I'm going to open it. Now here I can put the stuff that I want to work with. Oh, what the hell. Yeah, I must be blind because they are the first in line. So I can put an ammo crate, a supply crate, or some fuel barrel. Let's say they won the mission, just gonna drop some supply crate for them. And some fuel for them to refuel the vehicle. And this one I put on the mission so they can just pick it up. And drive it back to base in order to get some resources to expand the base, build a forward operation base, or some heavy MG or whatever will come. Oh, that was close. Solo truck, and you can see that it's add to the total resource that we have. And that's about it. This is how you create a template for multi-session operation or whatever you want to. Have fun, guys.